Hello everyone, it's Miss Flynn, and today we're going to be watching this video so that I can introduce a new technology resource I have found for you guys. It allows you to practice math skills or even your reading skills. So the website is called funbrain.com, and firstly I'm going to talk about the 4 E's and how this website will help enhance your guys' learning. So the first E is effectiveness. It will help you all apply your knowledge to a topic and to get better at the skills through the use of the fun tool I have shown you. The next E is efficiency. The tool allows you to save time by easily going to the website and playing the games to enhance your learning rather than doing something else, and it's also free and fun. Enhancement is the third E. You can play these technology math games that give you various scenarios that you can choose from sports to food or even reading a book. Everything is easy access and right in front of you. You should all be able to access it on your computers. Engagement is the fourth E. This tool is guaranteed to be a fun learning experience for you all. Not only can you choose exactly what grade level you are so that it knows how hard to make the different problems, but you can also choose a different level or difficulty if you have completed the goal that you wanted to. So there's levels from easy to hard, or if you wanted to try super brain level. You won't get bored of all the scenarios and challenges that this website has for you though. Okay, so now we're going to go to the website together, funbrain.com, as I mentioned before. And here we are. So a lot of the math games that we're going to play and practice on will be under the Games tab. And then if you just scroll down, we're going to use Math Baseball, for example. So click the little play button there, and then we'll press play now. And then you can choose a level. We'll stick with easy just because I'm showing you all how to do it right now. And since we're going to be practicing multiplication this year in 4th grade, we will click on multiplication and play ball. So the first pitch is 4 times 3. So then right here, you're going to type in the correct answer, which is 12. Swing. Oh, we got a double because we got the correct answer. The next pitch is 5 times 5. So put in the correct answer again, 25. Oh, we got a home run because we got another correct answer. The next pitch is 2 times 1. So let's say we accidentally typed in the wrong answer, or we didn't know what the right answer was, so let's just say 9. Okay, and we got that one wrong. So it'll tell you up here that you're out. It'll tell you the real answer, 2 times 1 equals 2. And then basically it allows you to apply your math skills in a more fun way because you're trying to get as many runs as you can since you're playing baseball. And it's an easy and fun way to practice your multiplication or division or anything else you're needing to practice. There's many other games that you can practice on as well. Another tab that we will be going to on this website this year is the reading tab. And then if you just scroll down here, there's different book options for you guys. And it tells you the difficulty level on each corner right here. So you guys might want to read something like, you could read something like Francine Powlett Meets the Ghost Raccoon, for example. So you would click on read in the right-hand corner right there. It pulls up the book for you right here. And then you press the arrows and the book starts, so you can read. And it's a nice and fun way to practice your reading, and it's easy access to books that you might not have at home, and you don't have to go anywhere. You just go on your computer and log into funbrain.com. So thank you all for joining me today to learn about this new technology resource that I wanted to show you guys. I hope you will use it to your advantage this year. It is free and fun. So I'll see you guys in class. Thank you.